Good morning to all of you. I am Nitin Tupsaminder, Assistant Professor of Chemistry. So today we are going to discussing uncertainty principle concept from the chapter Elementary Quantum Mechanics. So this is the introduction of Heisenberg uncertainty principles. So already all of you know that what is Compton effect. So Compton effect shows that light has a dual nature, that is light acts as a wave nature and light also acts as a particle nature. So now introduction of Heisenberg uncertainty principle. It is the key principle in quantum mechanics. Very roughly it states that if we know everything about where a particle is located, the uncertainty of position is small. We know nothing about its momentum, that is the uncertainty of momentum is large, and vice versa. So according to Compton effect, that is light have a dual nature. Light also act as a particle, light also act as a wave nature. So uncertainty principle also derives from this measurement problems. So the intimate connection between the wave and particle nature of the quantum objects. So finally definition of Heisenberg uncertainty principle is that we cannot determine simultaneously the position and the momentum of a particle. That is it is impossible to determine simultaneously position and momentum of the particles. So see, this is Werner Heisenberg, scientist, and this is the published the uncertainty principles before a year ago, and now this is the determination of classical mechanics. Suppose the position and speed of all particles in the universe are measured to sufficient accuracy at a particular instant in time, then it is possible to predict the motions of every particle at any time in the future. So what is the role of observer? So role of observer is that is observer is objective and passive. So physical events happen independently of whether there is an observer or not. That is the objective reality. See, this is the double slit experiment. In this diagram, we cannot predict where the electron would be land. So in this diagram, see, here is the electron gun. From this electron gun, electrons are emitted from this hole of the wall. Then this is screen, and this is the intensity graph, which shows that it is impossible or it is cannot predict where electron would be land. So this experiment also shows act of observation affects behavior of an electrons. So this is also electron gun. So this is detector and screen, and there is intensity graph. That is, we cannot determine exact location of the electrons or behavior of the electron. This experiment also shows that. So now what is the role of observer in quantum mechanics? The observer is not objective and passive in the quantum mechanics. The act of observation changes the physical system irrevocably. That is subjective reality. So Werner Heisenberg. So what is in quantum mechanics role of observer and what is the role of Werner Heisenberg? In the world of very small particles, one cannot measure any property of particle without interacting or without disturbing with it in some ways. This introduces an unavoidable uncertainty into the results. One can never measure all the properties exactly. That is, it is impossible to know or to determine exact properties of all the objects and of all the materials and all the electrons. That is nothing but materials. So see, this is the another one experiment. That is, this experiment is nothing but Compton effect experiment. In this experiment, this is ultra microscope. In this experiment, first diagram shows before the collision of radiations and before after the collision of radiations. So this is the incident photon. See, this is the scattered photon. That is nothing but Compton effects. So now measuring the position and momentum of an electron. Shine light on electron and detect reflected light using a microscope. Minimum uncertainty in position is given by wavelength of the light. So to determine the position accurately, it is necessary to use light with a short wavelength. So this is Compton effects. By understanding Compton effect, we can easily predict or we can easily determine Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So this is the measuring the position and momentum of an electron by Planck's law. E is equal to Sc divided by frequency, that is wavelength. A photon with a short wavelength has a large energy, thus it would impart a large kick to the electron, but to determine its momentum accurately, electron must only be given a small kick. This means using light a long wavelength. So now we come to this point, that is the Heisenberg uncertainty principle for energy and time. So the more accurately we know the energy of a body, the less accurately we know how long it possesses that energy. So the energy can be known with perfect precision only if the measurement is made over an infinite period of time, that is E is equal to 0 and delta t is equal to infinite. So see, this is the Heisenberg uncertainty principle, that is, it is impossible to determine energy or time simultaneously, and this is the simple equation for Heisenberg uncertainty principle for the energy and time. Delta E into delta t, it is greater or equal to S divided by 4 pi. So this is Heisenberg uncertainty principle for energy and time. So what is the lesson from Heisenberg uncertainty principles? So this Heisenberg uncertainty principle gives an idea of a perfectly predictable universe cannot be true. There is no such thing as an ideal objective observer. However, nature offers probability which can be calculated and tested. Thank you. Thank you so much.